Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel and also welcome to my starter testing facility. In different video you saw me removing this ginormous starter from this 1984 300 CD because the starter stopped working. You also remember I had some kind of replacement which the previous owner gave me, and he thought this will fit. He said it was for 240D, which is 4-cylinder. I don't know how he could even think that the starters will be different for such a, the same for such a different engines. But it doesn't matter. We have nice setup here to actually test the starter, right? So if you are looking with me here, I have a plus hooked on the back to the solenoid, to the main big bolt, and I have here the ground, right, from the battery. It's grounding on the body of the starter, right? Now here I can see is that little opening for that signal, another 12 volt, and then that can be thin wire because there's not high load there. And if I connect it, because that's basically like connecting the ignition, right, in the car, the key, the starter should start working, right? Did you see that? It's perfectly working. So let's go and test the one which I removed and see if it will work. For the safety, I will still first disconnect this battery, right? If I accidentally touch these together so I don't destroy the battery and cause some spark. And here, on this big one which doesn't work, but I want to confirm, right? This big one, I know the bolt was right here, so I can keep it here on the top, right, so you can see it. Again, I will use the ground on the body of the starter. This is the main, the load, right, and here is the small wire. I will hook the battery here, and let's see if something will happen. This, let's say it's coming from the ignition switch, right, to that small opening here. Oh, now it's working too. But it's only clicking. The starter is not rotating whatsoever. And I just reposition that starter so you can see if it's rotating, right? Let's see. This time it doesn't want to do anything. Right, interesting. Let's check the ground. See, it's not moving at all. And once again, the one which is used but working, right, we can see this is how it's supposed to be. And if I want to go a little bit further and eliminate or decide if it's the starter or the solenoid, I can again put the ground and I will skip the solenoid and go direct to the starter. Look at it. That's perfectly working. I'm keeping these away from each other. Let's see what will happen on this one, which is bad. I will get a good ground here. Let's see if it will turn. You see, this one is not working at all. And the problem is most likely within the entire starter. And replacing the solenoid, right, which is on the top, will not solve this problem. So as you can see, using just the battery, right, which can be even in the vehicle, and the jumper cables, and one extra test cable, you can so-called bench test your starter and confirm if it's bad or good. Thank you for watching this video Make sure you are subscribed because I have way more coming your way soon. See you later.